Hello Glendale and PG County, I'm Craig with Geek ABC. Geek ABC offers a variety of services to help you with your home or small business computers and networks. Our services start as basic as repairing a broken PC, laptop, or Mac, and can get as complex as setting up a secure wireless network with file and print sharing. Are you thinking about upgrading your system? We can help you pick the best options for a new computer, printer, or laptop. If your computer is running slowly, we can perform a system tune-up and remove any possible virus infections. Have you ever lost an important document or your favorite pictures? We can help you set up an appropriate backup system or even recover files from a damaged hard drive. If you've bought a new computer, we can help you set it up as well as transfer over all of your files and documents from the old computer. You don't need to struggle with your computer issues alone. We'll help you diagnose the problem and find the best possible solution at a competitive price. Geek ABC offers same-day on-site support for your PCs, Macs, printers, and wireless networks. Locally owned and operated, we come to you. Our industry-standard technicians provide fast, reliable, and affordable service with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We're fully licensed and insured so you can feel confident that your equipment and data is in good hands. That's service you can trust. Call us today at 877-GEEK-ABC. That's 877-433-5222. Or look us up on the web, www.geekabc.com. I'm Craig with Geek ABC, your local on-demand IT services provider, and we're here to help.